Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assembling essentials you must already have: domain, hosting, and API access. Once ready, create a minimal project skeleton. Initialize a Git repo, scaffold a React app and a Node, JS server, and define DB schemas for users, trips, and bookings. Connect Sandbox API keys for flights and hotels so you can develop without charges. Make sure to set environment variables and a env strategy. This prevents leaking secrets and speeds later deployment. Next, focus on the heart: search and reservation flows. Build a fast search UI that paginates results and supports filters. Once done, wire it to backend routes that query caching layers and third-party APIs. Implement pricing aggregation, taxes, and a hold or book step with idempotency keys to prevent duplicate charges. Then add payment integration using tokenized payments and persist a booking record only after successful capture. Test edge cases like partial availability and concurrent holds. Finally, prepare for launch and stability. Deploy via CI/CD pipelines, run migrations, and enable health checks and auto-scaling. Once live, monitor requests, latency, and error rates using logs and metrics. Make sure to tag requests with trace ID. If issues arise, reproduce them in the sandbox, follow the trace ID through logs, and verify API quotas and schema mismatches. For payment or booking failures, cancel holds, notify users immediately, and roll back any partial transactions to maintain trust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.